Hello, my name is Alex and I'll show you how to use the software, and now we will add several IP cameras and record them. So I click IP cameras, and next I select add IP camera. Here I have a list where I can select a type of camera and model. So I select Foscam cameras. It is quite cheap Chinese cameras. So I put IP address, and this camera is on port 50, and here is login, password is blank. So I click at IP camera. So I have the IP address here, and then I can select view, and I see this camera in right area. So let's add one more camera. So once again I select type, model, Foscam camera, and I put IP address 51. So login is demo and password is demo2. So I click view, and here are two cameras, two IP cameras. So the blue color of window says that camera is selected, and you can see it here. And if I select this one camera, this window becomes blue. And you can select a number of cameras like files in Windows. So you can press Ctrl key and select with mouse several cameras. So now two cameras are selected. So what can we see? We can do full screen mode of one camera, and we can close this camera and this one, or we can choose select all cameras and select view. So we see that two cameras are working. So let's now try to record video from these two cameras. I go to the tab recording. Here we can see use motion detector and detection level. So I set detection level to 0. It is the minimum. So you can see that screen is blinking with red frame. It means that motion is, but it is not true. So I put 3. And now I will not use motion detector because I want to record all video. In properties window I should select the path where the video will be stored. It is, let it be here, and I can select the storage period. It is how many days the video will be saved. So it is stored and deleted periodically. So click start. So I have two cameras selected. You see it is highlighted with blue color, and I press start. Okay, now it is recording, and I go to input tab again and click records. But now for the first time I need to click update. So I can see here the recorded cameras. It is marked with dB prefix. So I select them two with Control key and mouse and click View. So here appeared these two cameras, and we can play back them. You can select pause, or play again, or stop, play again. So it is played. So when two cameras are selected, they are played synchronously. So if you choose, if you click here, it is also synchronized in all other selected cameras. So, and we can switch between records and real-time IP cameras. If I click IP cameras, they appear here. If I click records, they appear here again. Okay, so the cameras are recording, and here is one more tab, IP camera settings. It is controls for pan, tilt, zoom cameras. So if I click, the camera is turning to the side. So the camera is okay. And settings, we can select one of the languages: English language, Polish, and Russian. And here in information tab we can click registration. Here we can see serial number of motherboard. So when you purchased the software, you should copy this to clipboard and send via email, and we will send back you your serial number, license file. And after that you will click select appropriate license and click OK, and software will be registered. So that's all. Thanks.